right, so just got this in the mail. Invidia exhaust system, Q300 for the Golf R. So we're about to install this, do some sound clips. It's my dad. My dad's in town. They're from out of state. So he's gonna help me get this guy on. Check it out. So we are in the garage. I'm gonna leave the door closed just because it's kind of late at night. So I don't wanna be too loud. Here we go. All right, so out of the box, this is what you get. You get the adapter to do this on the stock downpipe so that all fits. You have a resonator here, goes into the muffler, and then the exhaust tips bolt on there also. I'm not really sure the reason for that design, to be honest. See some with, some without, no valves. It's gonna be open all the time. They are the oval tip. Not 100% what I wanted, but this was cheap. And it should keep it pretty quiet, so let's see how it goes. So this is stock Catback. The car does have a APR downpipe already on. So ran into a little snag. As you can see here, I got some pipe. This is the APR fit kit, actually. It's about that long, and I only needed about that long. So with the Catback, hey Dad, doesn't fit up to the APR downpipe right. So I don't know, something with needing adapters and all that. I'll show you underneath. All right, so here is the Catback here. This is the downpipe. So this is the pipe I need, so I cut this to fit, and then these guys just slip right on over. So these fitters, you get one of these with the fit kit, that'll cover that pipe and then clamp down real nice. All right, so we got that other piece on, clamped it and clamped it, got everything nice and snug, so we're good to go. First startup on the Invidia.